Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use JavaScript in Adobe Acrobat. JavaScript empowers you to automate repetitive tasks, validate form data, and create dynamic PDF documents. You can access the JavaScript console directly within Acrobat to write and execute scripts, transforming static PDFs into interactive experiences. This powerful feature allows for significant customization and efficiency gains, making your document workflows much smoother and more intelligent. We'll cover everything from opening the console to practical applications. To begin, open Adobe Acrobat and navigate to the Tools menu. From there, locate and select JavaScript. Alternatively, a quick keyboard shortcut, Ctrl+J on Windows or Command+J on Mac, will instantly bring up the JavaScript console. This console is your primary interface for interacting with the PDF document programmatically. It provides an environment where you can type and test your JavaScript code, observing immediate results and debugging any issues that may arise during development. Once the console is open, you'll see an input area where you can type your JavaScript code. After writing your script, simply press the Enter key or click the Run button to execute it. For instance, you could write a script to automatically populate 20 form fields or change the color of 100 text annotations. This immediate execution allows for rapid prototyping and testing, ensuring your scripts perform exactly as intended before deployment across multiple documents or users. JavaScript in Acrobat offers numerous practical applications, such as automating document assembly, creating custom buttons, or performing complex calculations across several fields. For debugging, utilize the console's output window to view messages and errors. Remember to save your scripts as folder-level JavaScript files for reusability across all your PDFs. Exploring the official Adobe JavaScript API reference will provide extensive documentation and examples, helping you unlock the full potential of this versatile tool for enhanced PDF functionality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.